Welcome to Travel with Suri. A hike to the summit of this peak via the Vivian Creek Trail is one of Southern California's monster hikes. This peak, at an elevation of 11,500 feet, is the tallest peak in Southern California. Welcome to San Gorgonio. The Vivian Creek Trail is the shortest and steepest route to the summit. The total length of the hike is approximately 16 miles round trip with a 5,600 foot elevation gain. We used this hike as a training hike for Mount Whitney. The first section gives you a gentle half-mile warm-up through the wooded Mill Creek Canyon. The next 1 mile is a steep mile-up switchbacks that climbs 1,000 vertical feet, but it is forested trail with views over Mill Creek Canyon and to the west towards Mount Baldy. Miles 3 and 4 of the trail is parallel to the beautiful Vivian Creek. This is an easy section and was really a highlight of the trail, with the sounds of the babbling creek, impressive pines and lush greenery. You can have your snacks here and fill up your water. This part was the most difficult part of the entire hike. A steep 1 mile over 800 feet climb up pure snow. We had our micro spikes on and our slow pace took us up step by step. You cannot really follow the switchbacks as the trail was covered with ice and snow. We were literally climbing the mountain step by step. Crossing the snowfield was slow, steady work. The views were amazing. I was loving it. You will reach the beginning of the ridge after 6.5 miles of hard hiking. You may begin to feel the effect of altitude as you approach 10,000 feet. And that is the first view of Mount San Gorgonio. We still need to hike 2 more miles with more than 1,500 feet elevation gain. Can you spot the hikers hiking there? They are very tiny, and that is the hardest part. The view opens up and you gain stunning vistas of Mount San Jacinto, that is 10,500 feet plus elevation, Inland Empire, Joshua Tree National Park, Palm Springs, Mount Baldy, Santa Ana Mountain Range. It really is incredible. What I like about hiking via Vivian Creek is the view of Mount San Jacinto. San Jacinto stands impressively to the east, but there is still a long way to the summit. The trees start thinning and soon you will be above the tree line. I get to see San Jacinto Mountain pretty much throughout the hike after 6.5 miles. And from this particular part of the ridge, which is less than a mile beyond High Creek Campground, Mount San Jacinto looks bigger. This is my favorite section of the trail. The final section of the trail is a long diagonal traverse near the ridge that leads to Mountain San Gorgonio. You climb steadily with sparse vegetation and full exposure to the sun. It is a well-engineered trail that climbs steadily and not too steeply to the summit. We are less than a mile away from summiting. We summited Mount San Gorgonio after 8 hours of hard hiking in snow. This peak was one of the hardest trails I had ever been on, especially during the winter time. This hike is very tough and only fit hikers should hike to the summit of Mount San Gorgonio, especially during the winter time. The views were amazing, spectacular. This hike was way tougher than what I expected. I hiked San Gorgonio a couple of times earlier, but not during the winter time. This hike is entirely different during the winter time. So be prepared. Take your crampon, micro spikes, winter jackets, food, etc. Safety is very important. We spent like 30 to 45 minutes on top of the mountain and we started coming back. Coming down was also as tough as going up. This peak was one of the hardest trail I had ever been on. So take it serious. I hope you liked my video. If you like it, please subscribe it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.